We are cooking red bean soup today. In Chinese, we call it red bean sen rather than red bean soup. We will blend the beans and pass it through a strainer to give the soup a thick and smooth consistency. We have here 1 bowl of red beans. Rinse and soak them in water overnight in the fridge. I believe many of us know that red beans are a good source of iron. What is new to me is that they are also good for the heart and high in antioxidants, which can reduce the risk of cancer. On the next day, discard the soaking water, rinse the beans, and add 5 bowls of water. Add 1 piece of tangerine peel. This is the secret ingredient. It gives the soup a nice aroma and is a must-have ingredient. Cook in a pressure cooker for 15 minutes. The beans should be soft and tender by now. Remove the tangerine peel. Blend using a handheld blender. Pass the red bean soup through a strainer. Return the blended soup into the main pot. Add 1 piece of rock sugar. Bring it to boil. The soup is ready when the rock sugar is completely melted. This is the consistency I like. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.